So welcome to this video. I'll teach you how to make AI videos, AI cinematic videos for free. So I'll be making, let me play this video to tell you how it's going to look like. And we're going to create something like this for free using a free tool. Let me play so that you see it.
How dare you talk to my girlfriend secretly? I don't know what you are saying. She told me you have been chatting and texting her for months. I thought you are my friend. She told me that your manhood is like a needle. She is tired of you. How dare you?
So let's go straight to the point and create free AI tool. As of today that I made this video, the AI tool is still free for now. It's still free. So let's go straight to the point and create the video. Remember, you must have an image you can use for the generation because I will not be creating an image for it. So first of all, we'll go to Google. So go to Google, you type Byte Plus. Byte Plus. Sorry, type Byte Plus. Go to www.google.com and type Byte Plus. So once the Byte Plus opens, it's going to show you something like this. So you click on it. Remember, this tool I'll be using is absolutely free for now. It's absolutely free for now. So once you're in the Byte Plus, the first thing you do is to remember, okay, before we go further, I'll be using my phone to create this tool because I know majority of people use their phone to create AI videos. So I'll be using my phone to create it. So you see the three dot at the top, the three line at the top, you click on it. Once you click on it, you go to sign up. So you click on sign up. If you have account there, you can click on sign in. So you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, what I'll be using is to sign up with Google, which is at the bottom. So you choose the email, you just click on continue with Google. So you click on it and wait for select an email you want to use. So I'll be selecting one of my emails I'll be using for this. So it's going to ask you this question for you to give access. Sign into byteplus.com. So you click on continue, which is at the bottom. Click on continue. So once you click on continue at the bottom, you wait for it to load. So let's wait for it. So remember, you have to agree that you are signing up to this Byte Plus. So just tick the first one, which says I have agreed with Bybit. But if you want to be receiving updates and email later from them, you can click on the second box. But for me, I'll be clicking on the first box only. So I click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you wait for it. So for confirmation, they want to know that the person coming to their page or their website is not a robot. So you just move this arrow that is down, which says drag the puzzle. So you need to drag it to fit in the puzzle. So just click on the arrow and drag it, keep dragging the arrow there till this one fits in. So once it fits in, it's going to tell you that you have been verified and you can go in. It's as simple as this. So right now, we are now in the Byte Plus. So you go back to, for us to go into the what is it called? For us to go into the platform where we will use the free AI tool, you click on the three dots again, or the three lines. Once you click on the three lines, you click on products. So you click on products. So once you click on products, you will now go to AI and personalization. So once you click on AI and personalization, look at it, AI and personalization, you now go to model arc. Go down, is down, look at it. After the seed audio, yes, after seed audio is model arc. So you click on model arc. So once you click on model arc, you wait for it to open. I'm so sorry, I know some of you, your network will be very fast. Let me reload it and wait for it. Don't know why it's not okay. It has opened. So our model arc has opened right now. So the next thing you do is to click try for free. Remember, I'm making this video with mobile phone because I know majority of people will be using their mobile phone to make videos for especially TikTok and Facebook. So you can try this with mobile phone. So you click on try for free. Try for free. Once you click on it, it opens a new page for you, which is still within the Byte Plus. So you need to give you agree to this authorization. You need to agree. It says perform cross service authorization first. So you can go through it and read all these things, but to me, I'll be clicking on agree to authorize. So once you click on agree to authorize, it has given you full authorization. So once it gives you full authorization, the next thing you do is, so once it has given you full authorization, the next thing you do is to click on the home. Click at the top which says home. Click on it. Once you click on it, you now go to playground. You go to playground. So you click on playground. So once you click on playground, you wait for it. So once you wait for it, you go to this place which says, remember, look at the top, it says welcome to Model Arc, and it has below, it has featured, it now has text, image and video. Remember, we are creating video, so you click on video. So once you click on video, now you click on, remember, all these things are models, they are models. So you can try each of them, but we'll be going directly to the ones which is for free, which is free. So let's try the last one. I'm sure this is the last one which is for free. Let's click on it and see. So I'm not sure this one is for free. Let's try and see. Let me just type, let me just paste something here. Let me bring in an image from my phone. So let's use this image. Let me use this image. So you wait for the image to upload. So we are going to see if this model here I selected is free. So let me paste you can type a script here, or let me see if I can have something. So let me paste, okay, or you can type, say male wearing shirt. This is a prompt I copied. So let me change it and let me change some things in this prompt. Okay, now I put in this prompt and this arrow here does not show any sending. That means this model is not for free. So that's the way to know if the model is free or not. So remember, I paste in the prompt I want to use. It does, this arrow which is down here does not show green. That means this model is not for free. So now we'll now go down. We'll go down. So I'll be selecting the last one here. Then you click on the, let's use the last one here. Let's click on the last one. I'm sure this one will be for free. So let's bring in an image. So let's bring in an image. I select this image here. So let's wait for it. So now remember this, I'm sure this last model. So let me check if it's for free. Let me paste in the prompt I copied. Let's see. Very good. You see, this place is showing green already. That means this is free. That means this is the free prompt. This is the free model, sorry. So now let's write a prompt now. Let's select all, let's delete. I'll say, remember, I'm using an image of a male and a female. So let me just say male. Male, we say, babe, you look so beautiful. How I wish you could be my wife. Then female, let's say, let's go in. Ah, shit. Okay. I mistakenly click on the send button. So let's wait for it. I mistakenly click on the send button. So let's just wait for it and see what we just did. So you can change your auto your resolution from those of you that want to do 720p, you click on it and select. While we wait for it, you can select 720p for higher resolution, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, and you can choose those for YouTube, choose 16 by 9, those for TikTok and Facebook, choose 9 by 16. So while we wait for this video to finish, just know that this, as of today I'm doing this video, is absolutely for free. It's absolutely for free. So let's just wait. You can forward it to where it gets to 100, but I won't, because I want to show you that this is absolutely for free. This is absolutely okay. It's done now. So now let's go and click on the video. Let's wait. This is absolutely for free. It's currently free for now. That model I used is free. So let's click, let's play. I think I should download. Let me download it. Let me download it. It's still loading. You see? I need to. Okay, it's not downloading. So let me download again. So let's open it in a big way so that it's going to fill the screen. Okay, this is it here.
Babby, you look so beautiful. How I wish you could be my wife.
So this is the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to this video if this is your first time. Thank you for visiting. Bye.